In this video, we will implement a video recorder using the OpenCV module in Python. First, we will create a virtual environment and install the required modules to implement the video recorder. Create a new file named cam.py for handling camera-related functionalities. You can import the CV2 module in Python using the following sentence: Python import CV2. This line allows you to use OpenCV functions for image and video processing. Initialize video capture. Ni0 refers to the default webcam. CV2.cap foundation is a backend specific to macOS. You can omit it or change it depending on your OS. CV2.cap show for Windows, etc. Set up video writer. 4cc is a 4-character code that specifies the codec MP4V for MP4. Video writer creates an object to save the video. Video.mp4 is the output file. 20.0 is the frame rate, 20 FPS. 640x480 is the frame size. Read and save video frames. Python while true, ret frame equals cap.read. Cap.read reads one frame from the webcam. Ret is true if a frame was successfully captured. 5. Process and display the frame. Python if ret frame resized equals cv2.resize frame 640x480 out.write frame resized c2.imshow output frame resized. Resize the frame to 640 by 480 pixels. Save the frame using out.write. Display the frame in a window titled output. Exit on Q key press. Python if cv2.wait key 1 and 0xff record queue break. Waits 1 mems for a key press. If the key Q is pressed, the loop exits. Release resources. Python cat release out.release cv2.destroy all windows releases the webcam and video writer, closes any OpenCV windows opened by cv2.imshow. The code is running and the recording has started.